মধুময় এই সময় এই প্রথম বাতে চাই ৰুৱা
First of all, thank you very much for this honor. Thank you, USTM, Mr. Hawk, and all our special guests present here. And I never thought I'll get a doctorate in my life because I was a dropout from BSc, Bibura College. I was studying there. I didn't complete because my ambition was different, my dream was different. So I left my college. But still, I have a big connection with all the colleges, all the universities here. And many of my friends, they're working for the colleges, for the universities. Anyway, it's good to have a doctorate degree without having a graduation.